how to manage your stories sharing options settings on Facebook PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Facebook, this is the home page, go to the top corner, click right here, click on settings and privacy, click on settings. It will take you to this page. Go right here, click on stories as you can see, and here as you can see we'll find sharing options. You can allow or disallow any option from these as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.